this place over.
Hi guys, thank you for tuning into my channel MumbaiDIVA. Welcome back. I hope you're doing absolutely fine. I hope you're at home. If you're new on my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I post new videos. Well, this is another one brand makeup tutorial that I have come up with from a Maybelline brand. This is a very renowned, so I thought since I've been using this product a long time, I mean it's been a many years, we all use these Maybelline products. The Maybelline products is very affordable, it's available everywhere, wherever you it is a very budget friendly, and also they have very good quality of products. So in today's tutorial I have used and created this soft glam makeup. This is, you can wear it for your office, you can wear it for colleges, of course, or when you will start going to your office in college, you can definitely try and create this look. I have used very minimum products to create this soft glam, chic and very pinky like look this, and I love the way it has turned out to be. Moving on, I've used this primer, Maybelline Master Primer. This is in the shade 300. This helps to blur out any of your pores if you have a redness, or it gives you a very supple look to create a beautiful canvas before you apply your foundation. And this is a very light weight formula without any oil in it. So this is the best product to use it. Anybody who has a very sensitive skin and giving you a soft supple skin to apply foundation. The foundation shade that I'm using, this is a natural beige 220 shade. This is a very good for anybody who has a warm undertone, medium skin tone, and it really blends like a dream, giving you a skin-like finish. This foundation is a full coverage foundation, and best thing that about these foundation I have seen, they do not oxidize. That's the best thing. Even if you apply for 2 hours, 3 hours, they stay as is the way you just applied it, and it giving a really nice and refreshing and fresh look. So this foundation is a very good, and you can just use one pump, 1.5 pump for a complete face, and it will be like a dream coverage that you will get. So I have used this foundation in today's tutorial, and you can see how this has given me a beautiful look. This only retails for 750 for a 30 ml of product. This comes in such kind of a glass bottle with the pump like so, which is very easy to take the product on hand and for apply on your face. So this is like a really good product to own it, and I have been loving this product. I do use the other foundations also, which is a Fit Me foundations. They are really nice, and they blend, and the quality, the consistency is so smooth that it really glides really well and really smooth on your face. So this gives a beautiful coverage, beautiful base for your makeup, and this is the best product to have it. Moving on, next product that I had used is a concealer, a Fit Me concealer. This is a shade number 20 Sand. This is one of the beautiful product I have been using. 50 ml product. It is a beautiful product which comes with a nice doe foot to apply, and it gives you instant brightening effect on your face. So it helps to conceal fine lines, any blemishes, darkness under your eyes. Maybelline Fit Me concealer, this instantly helps you to give the perfect brightness that you look for, and it really gives that youthfulness on your face when you apply. So I just love this, and I must have finished so many bottles of it, and this always holds a place in my makeup kit. So yeah, I love this product. I just love it. And moving on, I've used this Fit Me translucent powder in the shade 20. This is a light medium shade. This is such a beautiful translucent powder. It helps to set your base and concealer so well, though it doesn't give you any fine lines. It really helps you to set your face base so well that it is like one of the product that I loved. The kind of packaging, it is a really nice chic packaging. You can see this packaging is like even Huda Beauty has such kind of a packaging, and it's so beautiful. It's very easy to carry, remove the product and apply with a nice brush. Whenever I feel your face is a little bit oily, I always use this product, and this is such a beautiful product to have it. This has a little pink tint in it, but still I love this product to use it because it gives me a fresh look, and it helps me to set my base really well. To create this beautiful look, I have used this Maybelline City Mini palette. This is a Fifth Avenue Sunset. This is a nice beautiful product to have it. This got like nice chic shades. You can see this is a nice warm brown, which really helps to give a beautiful crease, and you can use this for creating your nice crease. And also there is one more like a dark bronze shade. This is a shimmer shade. There's also a light peach color shade, which is a very beautiful metallic shimmer shade. You can apply that into your eyelids, and I have applied this is in my inner corner of eyelid. And also there's another shade which is a nice rose copper shade. This is a beautiful metallic shade, and it really gives a beautiful instant highlight to your eye. And there is this one, it's like a nice pearly kind of a shade. There is another, a night vanilla kind of a matte shade. And you can create like really good and daily wear a lot of looks with this, using this little palette. And you can see this palette you can carry anywhere, wherever you want to have it. And this is a very pocket friendly palette to carry, and these eyeshadows have a very good intense pigments. So this little palette is really a magic, and it can do wonders to your makeup look. Whenever you apply these eyeshadows, and it will enhance your eye makeup, and you can use this for day wear, evening wear, any party wear, any function wear. And this is a very beautiful little palette, but always they say little things comes with a lot of wonders. So this has a beautiful palette. It gives you a beautiful finish, very smooth, and it gives you a like dream like finish. Moving on to complete the eye look, for my eyebrows I have used this Maybelline Fashion Brow Eye Pencil. This is one of the product that I think so they got two shades in it. One shade is little brownish, and the other shade is like a brown gray. So the one which I am having is the brown gray shade. It's got a very fine tip to give a precise look to your eyebrow, and it helps to give a good finishing to your eye. The only problem with this product, which I felt this is not smooth to apply on your eyebrows. I have to literally struggle to use this product. So this is the first product I had used for my brow from Maybelline, and this will be the last for me. I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy this product because it's not at all user friendly. Moving on, to create a beautiful eyeliner, I have used this Colossal eyeliner. It comes with cage pin like a shape. It gives you very nice, a beautiful definition to your wings, and you can see the kind of winged eyeliner that I have created. It has like lifted and given me the beautiful look to my eyes. To complete the eye look, I have used this Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. This is the one of the product that I have been using a lot, and you must be seeing and must have seen that a lot of beauty bloggers, they keep raving about this product, and it is one of the beautiful product. When it comes to Maybelline, they have a beautiful, and they have variety of mascaras to use, and this is one of the product I have. Actually, I have a lot of mascaras from them, but this is the second mascara that I love after the Hyper Curl mascara. That gives you such a beautiful curls to eyes, and this helps to give a full look to your eyes. So when it comes to Maybelline, they have a beautiful mascaras, and it gives a good finish. And the best part about this mascara is this is intensely black, and this is infused with the coconut oil. So it really helps to give a good black, intense, fuller look to your eyes. And this hardly retails for 525, which is again a budget friendly and very affordable to buy. You can definitely try this product, and I love it. Moving on, for the blush, I have used this Maybelline Fit Me's number 30 blush. This is a rose color. This is a nice, very soft rosy. This has a little bit shimmer tint in it. The only thing about this, I am not sort of a happy. I felt a little bit of a powdery or a little bit of a choky kind of a thing. So I have this, and I don't buy much of Maybelline blushes because I am not into Maybelline blushes much of it. So this is a good product to have it. I wouldn't say it's a very great. Without the highlighter, I cannot complete my look. I need highlighting is a must. So I have used this highlighter. This is in a rose molten gold shade. There is one more shade that they have. It is in the gold color, which I own it because I love these highlighters from Maybelline, because the kind of finish, the kind of consistency. It is so smooth, very velvety, soft on your skin. You can see the kind of very soft and subtle finish this has giving me like instant brightness on my face. I just love this product and I am been using this product a lot. You can see the how much I must have used it, and this is my second container that I'm using it. It instantly gives that beautiful lift and the shine to your skin. This hardly retails for 550 rupees, so it is again a budget friendly and beautiful product to have it. Well, to complete this soft glam look that I have created, a lipstick is a must. To do that, I have used this 660 shade Touch Up Spice. This lipstick is so beautiful, so creamy to apply on your lips. This is a very beautiful, nice pink shade that I have used because this lipstick melts like a dream. It glides so well. This is a matte finish lipstick. You can see the kind of color. And this shade is a dupe of MAC lipstick. This is all the products that I have used in today's tutorial to create this soft, glam, beautiful look. I'm going to prep my skin using this Master Primer, shade 300, which helps to blur and plus redness control. Take a little bit.
And I know it cannot last, but at last I can.
Maybelline Foundation 220 Natural Beige. This Super Stay Matte Foundation.
Finally breathe, and I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
Sand, 20 sand. Beautiful brightening effect. It's time for some translucent powder. For translucent powder, I'm going to set my base and concealer with this Maybelline Fit Me Medium Beige 20 number light medium loose powder. Now time for eyebrows. For eyebrows, I'm taking Fashion Brow Pencil. This measure supremely fine tip. Not bad, it's okay, it's kind of a grey, but it's a good shade. I'm done with the eyebrows. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm taking City Mini palette. This is in the shade 5th Avenue Sunset. This is how it looks like with the fluffy brush like so. I'm just going to take this shade. Beautiful warm tone eyeshadows. Beautiful pigment. Black brush like so. I'm taking this color. It's beautiful light color.
I'm feeling like love tonight. There's no stopping what I feel inside.
Taking this darker shade. Just going to walk through in my outer V. The small brush like so. I'm taking this shade now. This shade. I'm taking this shade. I'm going to fill my underline. Now that I've completed one eye, it's time for other eye. And now we come back to you. I'm using this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. Catch me like a tip. it's a time for blush, Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Rose 30. Wow. Time for highlighter. Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Rose Gold shade. I'm going to use this. Wow. Beautiful.
We're timeless, sailing through, but tonight, no, we can't go far. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
Now time for some lipstick. 660 Touch of Spice. And thank you so much for being with me watching this channel. If you like today's tutorial, please give me a lot of thumbs up and do share my tutorial to all of your friends. And with that, I'll take your leave. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye. Thank you so much.